There's something about death that is comforting. The thought that you could die tomorrow frees you to appreciate your life now.
I like someone who is a little crazy, but coming from a good place. I think scars are sexy because it means you made a mistake that led to a mess.
If I think more about death than some other people, it is probably because I love life more than they do. I don't believe in guilt. I believe in living on impulse. As long as you never intentionally hurt another person and don't judge people in your life, I think you should live completely free. When I get logical and I don't trust my instincts, that's when I get in trouble.
Well, that's all for this episode. Hope to see you next time on the wit and wisdom of Angelina Jolie. Yee-haw!
Well, my name's Angelina Jolie, and I got lots to tell you. But now I have to go away and let you get on with your day. I let you get on with your day.